Sierra Leoneans, me na General Kaloko. Today na Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. Me fellow Sierra Leoneans, I say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all the listeners, fans, supporters, friends, and the youth of General Kaloko. Today, I get few messages for Sierra Leoneans where I strongly believe say the possibility dey for la do 2 audios today on this me program where I dey do so. The first thing where I want for can talk about now about this midterm census. Then with the press release we APC don't pull through Usman Fode and Sane, and for reflect the minds of the people we need to send relevant and authentic information to, we then for take actions. The press release don't speak volume. All the one where they send me informations then too about the APC them plans them bad plans them against this country, where all them plans then they not so because they love the people of this country, not so because they love the nation, all in the interest of the APC. The midterm census, we APC they worry about right now, we His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio don't announce or pronounce. Some of the APC then they right now, then they talk, say the international community no dey in support of this midterm census. But all this then they do them for big fool and supporters. All this then they do them because they think say, now that's not the only thing they go tell their supporters there, because their supporters they not get sense on their own, they know they think on their own. Now waiting they tell them, now then they believe. Yes? Well, me they tell una the APC full man then say, now lie una the lie, pa una yon supported them. I dey tell una now say the international community support the government and the people of Sierra Leone fully for this midterm census, make a go on and make a carry on. Before I come and talk to you seriously about the midterm census, why APC they worry, why there is too much concerns about this midterm census, and I get for quote certain things about inside the press release, the Joblo Jabla press release we APC pulled yesterday. Make a name for una. The one them, the international community, the organizations, the international organizations them, we support this government for make the census go on after Salon government. But I want for let una all pay attention. Anybody where they listen to this, whether it is APC, NGC, C4C, SLPP, I want to pay attention to this. Go now Google, let you search for see who that and who that then they support the Salon people and the Salon government for let the midterm census carry on. Then una go see for yourself. But besides that, I want to pay attention to then international organizations, the way they can call for una, we the APC, they like pauna say no international community not support the census. After the Salon government, the first international organization will support the midterm census. And you know what they mean by support to Africa, financially and technically. Now, so the organization they support Africa when it comes to development. Then they give the money, then they give the technical support to Salon government. The first one where I go name, where if you look now all the world building right now, where the banner them, where they display right now on the streets of Freetown, you they see the World Bank. Now one of the people that we support, UNFPA. Now one of the people that we support, UNICEF. They support the government of Sierra Leone for the census. UNECA. They support the government of Sierra Leone and the people of Sierra Leone for the census. Then you get the KNBS, which is a Kenyan organization, Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. They support the government and the people of Sierra Leone for this census. You get the Office for National Statistics. They support the census. You get China. Then support the government and the people of Sierra Leone for this census. The last one, you get the Mano River Union, where they all put together for support the census. But to me fumble them, how una call the organization they are all where I don't call so. Not to international organizations them. But what in me don't see right now about the APC. Now where any organization do thing where they go the APC interest, now in them go see as international organization. This not the problem where this country don't get right now. Whether you a Salon person, an individual, if you do anything for praise or do anything good with this government, the APC with the fools them, then they see you as enemy, then they see you as bad person. But if you are now as an individual, you do anything where they go against this government, then they see you as one of the greatest people in this country. So now the same thing they happen right now inside the organizations there, where we only refer to as international community or international organization. For the APC right now, I let them say that organization they now 2 or 3 grand people in the run. If that organization they I like na Guinea, now they register. If that organization they against this government in Madabio, then they hype them, then they turn them for be international community they against this government. That's what they go say. So now, my fellow Sierra Leoneans, una the APC supporters, una really get for be mindful. Una really get for take una time for what una they do. Le APC no left una panyayoma. Now, my fellow Sierra Leoneans, you get Yansane and other APC activists them where they can tell them supporters them for make them not allow for make them count them. That now the other set of people them. You get the one the way they say the international community no support, but I don't name the organizations them, the international community of international organizations them, we don't support this. And we all know say anything with World Bank, anything where World Bank put on pa, where World Bank support, now the world don't support. Anything where World Bank they against, now the world don't they against. Just like how the World Bank be they against the APC and Anescoma, we make them pull them power. Just like how the World Bank be they against the loan where ANES and the APC go take na China for build Mamama Airport. So if you see World Bank there against you, the whole world don't there against you. So if the World Bank be the number one financiers and supporters for this midterm census, that automatically tells you the whole world supports the census for like carry on in Sierra Leone. Yes. Now, then get two sets of people. You get the one the way they big fool, the other one then tell them say international community they support the census. Then you get Yansane and other sector where they tell the supporter they say let them not allow them, let them count them. Yansane go to the extent and tell the APC supporters them we apply. Then apply, then go through interview. I hope they don't go through trainings. They want them, the APC supporters, the Ansane tell them, by impress release say, they want them where statistics don't employ, don't give them job for make them decline or resign from that position there. The one day we for go do this census December 10th, wait today this now December 2nd. But me want to tell Una, the people of this country say the APC today no like Una, the APC supporters, and they don't like this country at all. Yes. I go reach to a point where I go play one audio where una go hear clear the reason why APC they worry about this midterm census. Not for una the supporter they make the worry. Not for the people of this country make them worry. Not for the benefit of this country make them worry. Now because the Yuki and man practices where them put by the 2015 national census where APC be do, where them do them in the interest of the APC. Time go reach inside this audio. I go play one audio where una go listen, where sensible Sierra Leonean they talk to we all why the APC they go against the midterm census. But one thing I want to make clear to Sierra Leoneans, before the pronouncement, before Yansane they pull the APC press release, the information they don't come to me clear for say the APC DEPA intensifies seriously now the north where they know say now the APC they on side for go and install talks them brainwash the APC supporters them for go against the census and for even riot they want them where statistics don't employ for go and do this census. Then get cutlass them, then don't buy cutlass, they don't go and brainwash them, big full supporters them, say let them not allow for let them count them. Something waiting at the stay red movement, the diaspora sent for them $5,250 because they no say the census they right. So it make a project, send them to the diaspora, say let them finance and let them support them for let them go the northern region widely for go and brainwash them supporters them against the midterm census. So then put together $5,250, then send them to Samson. Then Bakar, where Naminkailo in Pekin, the deputy leader or the deputy chairman for the APC in Pekin Bakar, the APC don't disburse 55 million leons to them. So then they all they cow it them groups they now where then they go countrywide. But mostly then the limit and the stronghold way na the north for go and sensitize and big fool the people them say let them not count them. But they no say waiting then they go and do so. The APC way then they fight for Now the APC get for film na the ear. We all be remember where NCRA be say let people then come and confirm the registration. Now the first people that we grab back and come out say let them people not go there na APC. NCRA no care about them more. NCRA continue. The sober-minded Sierra Leonean we believe say anything we get for do salon, we get for issue document. It makes sense for let you be part of them. All man be they go to line. We be there now say people and be they complain say the command and late because the people and they reach now the center them for go register before the command them. But when the APC they sit down, they say, oh, this if we left and so we not send, we not talk to people and let them go register. Now the APC get for suffer. Now the APC they feel they know they do nothing in the interest of the people. Now the APC interest and they put first. So when I see the NCRA they can continue with their job, what thing they do, then go back, then begin fair money back and go and tell them people and say, do you want to come on go register? Now the same thing mark they can cancel. Now na census. Now the first don't grab back for talk. Now the first don't pull press release say they not agree for participate into the census. They not they allow back for letting content people them. Now the first don't come, they don't pull press release. Una let we watch no more back. You know go dey far. Now then go back na media. Spend money back, go and tell them people and say, una allow let them come to now. Una mark me word, wait till they talk so. Una mark me word. So now this they happen. Yansanes shamelessly pull Alaki press release where it talks certain things them way be say if the APC people and they will get sense, then get shame. I swear to God, if they read that press release way pull, they're not for be share no sign. But the APC forget one thing say we get 4 political parties now the House of Parliament. Yes, where then go lay the statutory document, instrument for this for this midterm census. The APC, they don't forget. Say we get the APC, the SLPP, the C4C, and the NGC, plus the independent candidates. We're including again the paramount chiefs them, where they for represent the whole country. Then people are all ready. So if you get members of parliament, where now them they represent the people of this country, not to SLPP MPs they no more in a parliament, not to APC MPs they no more in a parliament, not to NGC MPs they no more in a parliament, not to the independent candidates no more in a parliament, including the chiefs them. So, my fellow Sierra Leoneans, why the APC for pull press release against the census? Why the APC they against the census? Why? Uda the fool Uda. Because what actually happened? Then people they are all what I don't mention, so then MPs they will represent every Sierra Leonean, including the independent and the paramount chiefs them. Then debate on this before they all agree for carry on with this census. So for say the APC not believe in the APC MPs there anymore in the parliament. For say the APC not believe their counterpart them when at the NGC way they don't know waiting they want, they don't know waiting them deeper. For say the APC not believe the C4C way the leader na stroke APC for say they not believe them the counterpart them they anymore. So that they tell you say if the APC get members of parliament, they're inside the House of Parliament, then they grab back, they talk against the census. Now waiting, then don't do bad. Wait, then no say if this census go on. Because one thing we all know again, out of 100% out of 100% of the people them we get for the monitor or be part of the process for do this census. Out of 100%, 70% are the international community. Now 30% Salon government get hands inside the census for monitor the process. Things then the way this government be want do, then look for the data way for capture every Sierra Leonean. But when they look them data there, they know they correspond to waiting actually supposed for happen. Then count expatriate them for can correct that data day. Then look and left, right, center, they're not able for correct them. So they expatriate there, we come on a 3 or 2 different country them. Now they recommend say, if this government want for do good for the people of this country, want for develop this country, fine one, let them do another census. So the government tell the international community, World Bank and other people, now they all come together now for support, financially, technically, and then for can monitor the whole process. So if the APC, they go and worry. If you like where somebody don't thief person property, where don't thief them, decide where you go keep them, then now they see auditor, then can look for that thing they will loss. If you see in picking one waka go that area self and keep that thing, they call and say, come on, let you know reach day. If you see one of the people who they can look for that thing, they waka go na decide who say go keep this thief property. In mind, in acts they begin beats, in acts they cut 770. Because you know, say if they reach day, they go see that thing they will inside keep them. It don't help them problem. So now like the APC right now. Because they know what thing they do 2015 census. They know say all what thing they do now in the interest of the APC. But I tell you now one reality. What to make APC the worry. Mohamed Bangura na Karen district in constituency where they vote for we make it be member of parliament. The total number of people where they in constituency, a whole constituency, the ward na kono, the ward na kono, where this election take place recently, where the SLPP candidates win, that ward na kono, the population where they inside the ward, where it be say some constituency, you get 3 ward, 4 ward, 2 ward, at least minimum 2 ward, but maximum they get 3, 4, 5 wards inside one constituency, some areas. So constituency big pass ward more than 2 or 3 or 4 times. But now Mohamed Bangura, the member of parliament for APC na Karen district na the northern region after Bombali. In your constituency, the councillor will win na kono in ward, the population where they inside in ward, a boku pass the population where they inside Mohamed Bangura in constituency. That's not just a tip of the iceberg, just one example I give you so. Well, now the problem this, now the thief this way APC thief, we make then they worry about this census, because the international community get for Kano now plain say APC na thief man them. They know to do nothing in the interest of the nation, the interest of everybody, now in the interest of the APC. Just they go and they add anyway. Now listen to this man waiting they say.
Sorry that I tagged onto you audio. But APC also knows, say, the government don't step on something on the census we they do 2015. Because there's no way political party go grab and tell the people they say, when I'm not really letting go to that.
Honestly.
There is something they don't want. I think we pretty much know. You know, they do census. you add 20 parliamentary seats. Only in the areas that we, the APC win, then seats the day. Okay? And then with the whole election, the entire.
Wait, let me let people understand this thing. This now a well sober-minded Sierra Leonean they talk. We know the issues. We know exactly what happened where APC do 2015 census. Where APC do 2015 census, they add 20 seats them, 20 member of parliament seats them. Now they add 20. Out of these 20, we get the eastern region, the western region, the northern region, and the southern region. There are 4 regions. So if you want for shape 20, so I believe 20 divided by 4 by 4 is supposed to be each one region for get 5 seats. 5. Because APC can do 2015 census, then add 20 member of parliament, then seats them. Whether for we don't give 5 to the east, 5 to the west, 5 to the north, 5 to the south. But when I know what the APC do, out of 20, then give 1 na the east, we na Kono. Then give 1 na the south, we na Moyamba. Una know what's happy now? The balance 18 na only western area and the north. Bombali, Karene, Potloko, Cambia, na all inside and they shape all the 18. But this shape and shape the 18. Then constituency here where they go raise, then go add. If you go na them bold district, some ward then they win a council of ward. The population where they inside the ward, then are certain areas, then are bold district. The population I pass the constituency population at north. So this not the disgrace where APC don't see they come. Make the rep and go and tell their supporters and say, make them no agree for let them count them. But if una no say this good for una continue for tell una people then say let them not count them. Una go sabi who is going to smell the rat. But I know very soon they get for begin come back and tell them say, una no sit down, una go register, una allow let them count una. Because you where they not count, they know they prepare for you nothing. You know they part of salon business. They know they shape give you nothing. And you where they not count, where election reach and election not get for Puebla at all in this country. Where election reach, no member say you know, no member say you they vote for you APC. Never. You know they be. So they are gonna continue for telling our people and say let them not count them. Una listen.
First round of the election, when I did the MPs, they all didn't get elected. They beat them. They only got about 42% of them votes that day. But they end up with 56% of the seats in the parliament. I mean, just fancy that. How you go win just 42% of the total votes in the country. But that same vote will determine the number of people in parliament, give you 56%. And they all happen for Commonwealth. The areas in which you gerrymander, where you create a district, and they were not carrying Falaba, whether not one seat na Kono or the one seat where they add na Moyamba towards Shinge. So they know what they do. Now this they're afraid, and that census they also should say Kenema population go down by 7%. 2 of the largest chiefdoms in Kenema, the population go down by 7%. That same census should say with population grow more in 10 years than it grew in 20 years. In 20 years, that counted 1985 through the war years to 2005, with population grew by 1.4 million, 1.45. Well, in 10 years, that is between 2005 and 2015, that population grew by almost 2.5 million, from 1.45 in 20 years to 2.5 almost in the.
La make it easy for Sierra Leoneans. This brother there, they get that English inside and talk when they talk. So one of the other reasons that we make APC they worry for this census, my fellow Sierra Leoneans. La make the second audio, yeah. La out to the other reason. All right, okay, my fellow Sierra Leoneans. This now my second audio inside today's program. One of the other reasons we make the APC the worry about this census. Inside 20 years, we then do census. The population of we country only grew at 1.4,500,000 people. Now so the thing rise up. Then at 20 years old, like 10 years they do one census, other 10 years they do other census. Where within that 20 years, the population only rise up to 1.45, 1,450,000 or 1,450,000. Yes. Then now, inside Ernest Koroma in your time, inside 10 years. Where the APC do census, the population grow to now 2.5. 2.5, where inside 20 years, now only increment of 1.45. Inside 10 years, now increment of 2.5. And inside this 2.5 increment, majority of the highest numbers now the north and the west. Now they put them because they want to give more seats to the APC. But they fake the figures. The number they high na certain places on paper, on data. The number they high on paper say carrying a district now 30,000 people in one particular area on paper. But if you go on ground physically, maybe now 15,000 or 20,000 people and they physically on ground. So now the bad thing and this way APC do where then they can fight for, where then they fight against. But if man don't thief na shop, you left the border for sell for you na shop. But the shop, it's a big provision shop how you can do. You get sardine, lunch or meat, pick milk, you get all kinds of things. If you die, you brother day, don't thief 2 sardine, you don't thief 2 lunch or meat, you don't thief 2 tin pick milk, you don't thief 2 powder milk, you don't thief 2 baked beans, you don't keep and pull them from the old business. Then when you go for can now say for can take over the shop back. If you see you tell and say Carlo can take stock of what I be left and Lord check the money we sell. Now ain't go begin to say no Lord left and bona waste of time. Lord not do anyway don't thief now the shop now. Then they go tell you say all thing they okay. If you say Lord check this here, I go take with time. Lord left and so because he don't thief. But if you not thief nothing, as in brother tell and say Lord check. Lord do checks and balances. Now I go say, okay, Lord do am. Now I go ready now pass because he wants to say he honest. But because APC be don't thief 2 sardine, 2 lunch of meat, 2 baked beans, they worry now say, let them not do checks and balances. Let the man just take the money where they sell. Let them not check again the market we left. Now in the APC they worry, yeah? You will not know. Do you enough for try no? Yes. Now to honor the APC supporters again. Una will then take for work na statistics Sierra Leone. We and Sanepa in press release he tell una say make una decline or resign for the jobs them wey una don suffer for apply, go up and down, put CV together, then get for ask you for this document, you get for go for police clearance, you don't spend that small cup of and transport, take all necessary document them. You don't go through the process, you don't apply, they don't call you for interview, you don't go interview, they don't call you, they don't select you, you don't go for training. Now Yansane say, make you resign. Because you na APC. Today, when you be they go up and down, you don't graduate from college, you be they go up and down for the past how many years, you don't get job. Yansane, before that, a busy, they pay people them where they cost for them on social media. But una the pure APC supporters, una don't know una education, una they look for job no day. Now statistics Sierra Leone don't can provide almost close to 12,000 jobs. Una the APC people una included, they not select say una APC or SLPP no more than they take. Now Yansane say, let you left for the job. But then they pay the idiots say, they cost for them. Then $3,000, $5,000, $1,000. But una one day, they not meet una na treat and tell una say like you 1 million because you na APC PK you no get job. One day no happen. But now today, they say because of the interest of the APC, not to your interest, not to the interest of your family where you get for go feed out of the money where statistics get for pay you. In the interest of the APC, they say let you resign from the job. Where then go give anybody where they part of this job, at least at the end of this job, at the end of the assignment, person go they realize from the 8, 10 to 15 million. Where it go take home 9 hours for the job where it don't go do. But now, Yansane say le una left am. Well, make I ask una. Una know say Yansane in Pekin, he work inside this government. Una know? Una the APC people the way statistics don't take. Una don't suffer get a job there. Una know say Yansane in Pekin they work inside this government. Where Yansane they put on press release say una the APC people where they employ una left. Yes. Yes, Yansane in Pekin they work inside this government. Yansane in Pekin they work at the African Link. And they work inside this government. But why Yansane not telling Pekin for making resign and make work under this government? Why he not tell him? And the answer na in big. I'm not going to tell you now that he big. He beg for let this in Pekin get job. Let him Pekin dey na job inside this government. But now, una the supporter where they not care about, they say let una resign. Una not go ask him why he not tell him Pekin for resign. Una the APC people away statistics don't take. Una no say Ernest Koroma, even though he don't thief the country, but this SLPP government still they give 30 million every month. Una know that? Why in the Yansane and the APC or Ernest Koroma not tell them say you no want because it's not SLPP government. This same SLPP government they pay Ernest Koroma in driver, in cook, in PA, in security. But why? Even in cleaner, these governments they pay their staff, then they all where they work for Ernest Koroma. Why Ernest Koroma and the APC not stop the government say make them stop for pay all them people there for Ernest Koroma. But then they pay their social media idiots them for go against people in this country, people the way they cost for them, not media. Whilst una we don't apply and suffer for get this job, then they tell una say make una go and resign. Yes. Now, my fellow Sierra Leoneans, you know stop there. The acting spokesman for the APC, Sidi Tunis, where in brother na speaker na the ECOWAS Parliament, in brother na member of parliament under this government, Sidi Tunis, this in brother where they inside this government, they gang money, and the money where this man they gang na inside this government, the SLPP government, it get them from. Na they in the pool forgive Sidi Tunis when an APC spokesman or acting spokesman. But why one day he not tell him brother say, no give me this money, or he reject this money, or he tell him brother say, resign from the SLPP government. This na for una way the statistics, way na APC people way statistics don't employ. Una get for take care of una family, una wife, una pikin them, una mama, una papa, una brothers, una sisters them. But now the APC not be they give una money for to do all anything they do. Una don't get job now with statistics, they can't help una forget that money there. Now the APC say let una resign. So me want for call upon the security sector again. And they come back for Musa start. The security, police now, the army now. However, although it will look somehow odd, but it is better for at least una prepare gunmen than us all over the country who say where this census get for start. Una set people them, una stand by them, they forces them. And also soldier and police them, they all sign at the country. No sign of the Nassau police and soldier no day. Una stand by a response team where they always they stand by with weapon, with gun. Always for the standby now, the whole country, then they for respond immediately any side where people they want for misbehave against the one them we want for go against the people them where they go for go do census now the country, especially the north. Bombali, Kayene, Falaba, Potuloko an officer full man then they better. Full man and all the poloko self. Full man and all the poloko na Bombali na de full man and they. From Tonkolili now, because me I be say me people in Tonkolili they don't get sense now. They don't understand how APC don't marginalize them, how APC don't treat them. I be feel say therefore wise enough for neglect and let go APC. But still, I know say. Shortly, the people of Tonkolili go reflect their minds them, waiting APC do to we own Northern and people them. Wait for make by now, if we don't get Northern and wait for be president or vice president, or if we don't get Timini man, wait for be president or vice president, because the most educated people in the country, especially the North, they all na be Tonkolili and come out. But waiting APC do, because they no one for see and ye people the way now educated people they tell them way then the APC be one for all this country as one party state, then kill all we grandpa, we papa them na Tonkolili district. If you Tonkolili person day, if you for boast for any political party in this country, enough for be APC. Enough for ever be APC. We own people who for Bluffwood. Where power come today, una see our Bombali people and be gladly and bluff na Bombali say na then get the power. We own people where na the we for be the Bluffwood now then tell sometime by now if we don't get president winner from Tonkolili. If we don't get vice president from Tonkolili, but now guess what? APC kill them all. APC wipe them all. They say they no one sense man them around them. And that party they una they glad for. Now then go tell una say una no allow them come to now. Where mother be they can shape the goodness in the country. Let you not get. When time reach for vote, let you not exercise your right. Tima play APC big fool you say let no call it no come to ya. Where APC be they do in 2015. We make ourselves available. We make ourselves available for the country. Now because now SLPP, APC they tell you say no come to you or Falabasa. Una don't see them. We all don't see. What the APC don't do to Tonkolili district. All the good thing them. Wait Tonkolili forget Maburka then take a go to Makeni. Kill we people. Even we self now today where they come up so. We don't famous and popular in this country. Because we they talk true, we they talk the reality. The APC them, they don't set people them against we. They know are nobody good from Tonkolili, but una no understand that. So dear, if you're not sober-minded Sierra Union, you think with your head, dear, not listen APC. APC, anything with them lick. Waiting APC lick. Waiting APC they die for. If you get sense, avoid them. Una remember trade? APC be one for when we left than day. My second message now, my fellow Sierra Leoneans. This now about Sylvia Blyden in audio way he pull. This last audio we pull, we talk about the redenomination. I be don't tell Sierra Leoneans them. Wow, that time we sit down me and me team would discuss about this same woman. I tell them say, who that God don't make wise, he always wise. Who that God don't give wisdom, he always get wisdom. I say I dey see far off from waiting una dey see. I say Sylvia, waiting they do so. Now road he defend for this government. There was a time where the bank governor make a known to we the people of this country say they come redenominate we currency. I tell you now say Sylvia Blyden be there somewhere around court with the APC counterpart them. He tell them say he say the APC we don't done. He say if he Madabio and this in government, they're able for succeed for redenominate this we currency. He say the APC don't done. He say a big blow against we the APC. That was a words. Now today, the first thing when he talk about where he can talk about that this currency redenomination. He say, begin count parliament, call upon the member of parliament them for let them go through the process and procedures. Now, when I see the angle where come out, one of them days here, I think is in 038 or 37. Now we happen say circumstances, But it pull one audio. Sylvia be the reach to a word where he want talk, he jump in no great talk him, but he start the word. So I catch her up straight say this woman, all what they do, and they do things them first if they come against themselves to themselves. Where they can for hit the blow on this government, and now they hesitate, so they don't get the listening populace. Because this woman don't know, say we are very close to achieve the currency redenomination. What thing don't do? Now the 11th hour, it come for can lie from people them. Carry thing the way they bring confusion for carry technical objection against the currency redenomination. One thing where we all for look at two. One, a not talk say the thing not good though. But what he do, he go find sections for court for tell the bank governor say he not get the right for doing. But at the end of him program, he say it is good if we get the currency redenominated. But it can with politics inside it. So this means say if anybody inside this government, including the bank governor, buy to that nonsense where Sylvia talk, we are going back to square one. If anybody fall for Sylvia, then talk then the way we come, we are going back to square one. All this, now the interest of the APC, they all work on. They all. We were not good listener. We were not critical thinkers and critical listeners. Where Sylvia they talk as an open mouth, we know who say again for slam. We know who say in the slam. I'm not going to go too detailed. But I just want to bring to the attention of Sierra Leoneans. I be don't talk about one of my programs. Say Sylvia, the time where the currency redenomination, a total annual aid, they say the APC don't finish. If a mother bill succeed for redenominate with country money, they say finally, mother bill go rule this country. Take na go tire. Now, a don't go find ways and means and tactics them for carry delayance. If in a person way honest, you see what he say? He said the bank governor not get the right purported say it they denominate. See what he do? They talk now say whatever the bank governor don't do from point A to point X, when a Y and Z no more now don't live, means say the bank governor don't waste in time. They draw the attention of the House of Parliament. Una be careful with Sylvia. Una not fall for her. Anyway. The third message, my fellow Sierra Leoneans. Now the call upon the attention of His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio, the blessed man. President Bio, please be mindful. After we all be know waiting be happy na Kailau. The president be de Kailau. The women's wing be de Kailau. Kailau begets women's leader elections. His Excellency be de. He gave speech, he gave advices, he left the. But I want to bring to the attention of His Excellency and the SLPP say, after we President Julius Maada Bio in convoy don't pass, come out Kailang, 17 paramount chiefs, including some members of the security, with some SLPP stakeholders, then we keep meeting Nadaru. Then we keep meeting Nadaru. But I get a reason, I no one for go. But anyway, let the president and the SLPP find out why the meeting. President Bio need for find out, and the SLPP stakeholders need for find out why was that meeting not Daru. I want to talk about Sierratel briefly. Sierratel, we own property, Salome property, Sierratel. Why Sierratel not they develop or grow like any other telecommunication in our country? Why? Governments, they don't come and go. Government don't come and go. Government don't come and go. Now we get this government again. Now the same thing no more they happen. Why? Now we or now people in authority no care. Now they're responsible for let Sierratel no grow. Orange don't come, it don't grow. Na Kaikao imit Sierratel. Africell don't come, it don't grow. Na come, it come, imit Sierratel. The newly arrived QCell don't come and don't grow almost. Yes? It come, imit Sierratel. Waiting na Sierratel in your bad luck. When now we young country property, waiting na in young problem we get, we for make enough for grow. You know, famblem me, Naime always confident, feel good and happy, where they support and defend President Bio. Me heart na this country, and me heart know who that good for this country and who that bad. Just like how I know say Madabio is the best person for this country in better one, and a school man, a thief man. Na evil. So Nike make me, because I got this country interest. If you like say now I not get permanent friends, at the same time I not get permanent enemies. I be the use Sayatel modem. But guess what, my fellow Sierra Leoneans? Sayatel modem, as you pass, I go say, Jue, no. As you pass, then develop now going to Waterloo. Begin by top up no more now for begin to subscribe na your phone. You know they get internet again. As you pass Waterloo now, so just put this Sayatel modem no more now, put off, keep on your bag. You know they work again, no side. But now, you sell the youngest baby inside the country in terms of telecommunication. And like now the last village in the country, you go to QCell modem. QCell, I don't say I dey pay adverts for una go pay una go pay QCell. But this is not the total honest true at the talk here for the interest of my country. So why QCell we can yesterday get this chance opportunity for expand then your network now the whole country very fast. You go any side now, the network, the internet, it work, it is strong. So waiting na Sayatel, now we young bad luck. Waiting na Sayatel in bad luck. And we don't just on side the whole area and they see that place they get money. Who side the money they go? Who side they go? The one they were responsible, they need for come and tell me this thing or why Sayatel they always BN. Sayatel in modem, you go all the way then God reach now. You get sat inside the way they reach, you walk. Nothing that happen. Anyway, it's still painful. Waiting actually it take for let Sayatel develop and expand like any Africell or Orange. Now even the last speaking we come, NCSF don't go past Sayatel. Waiting na Sayatel in bad luck back. Waiting do? Anyway, this one a request to the government for the people of Tonkolili district, especially Bonkolenken chiefdom, the Komrabai ferry. I go say it don't spoil. You know, they're in a very, very active working condition anymore. Then the worst don't happen to them. The rope where the ferry they travel to and from, it don't cut now. Finally, the ferry not able to walk again. People not able to cross from one point to another again. Luma day na Komrabai day. Luma kinde day them Mondays or so or Sundays. But now na problem. People are not able to go and come for go do business. This actually na the thing where they talk about Tonkolili people. I'm from Mamino Tonkolili. Ko benga episi ampo dis noir. Pina tleo boli nne boli ampanga episi. 11 years a episi in Kampawa. Am fereng yang blebempangi ang blebempane so bridge. Na ni igbo ampanga episi. Moins kliba. Pepe en government again koete to komar kama fumante ko sofa de SLPP government. Mon koedi kama komar kama te kama anfuma so ante ko sofa e. Ai pisemble yo yi. So ko ben nan kan episia. Ko ene na no botro unyo em so fast no. Ko ene. Mo ya fere ampo lesa. Ai pisem am bempanyi mamboki Kampawa. Ai pisem bempaina so a bridge. Me ro bon kolenge na komi. Ntara dom suma na edien. Ma ntara dom furebi edien. kele klinu ba ronga de do bridge do kumra bay ank kone do ile klinu ba ronga ti madia un APC un stronghold do ton kolili un APC levini assemblée ben padi muno igbong tantanga APC moma pa po shenga uni apo sheke mu kan APC moen topi be madabium on government nga SLPP nga bako marnu eti nga bempane so ombri jangan ke muno ibo tantanga APC moma pa unyo nieso o e butza kante kono mo tangbuton so marinus afom nga do ton kolili just continue for yesu kama denk at think pai APC yata kolota ta su do ton kolili botresu just tanu ba madabium ba yen SLPP kabaskal kali kabir kati moyen ngambri jampol sa ore ke bakri bempanya SLPP ore ke bakri bempanya madabium so munon te kabotro uni om karam muntem koloi non tang om te kolosmoe ay pa eti enyi nepo na baba mi fambulle